Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe.
Today we're shopping the Herrera CH CHARNELA Insignia bag. This is the medium crossbody bag in two colors. First, the color vanilla, which is a two-tone light and medium tan bag. And second, the color cognac, which is the same medium color bag as the vanilla with the CH Insignia stamp on repeat. This crossbody includes a single catch-all pouch with one zipper pocket along the back wall as you saw, as well as another pocket on the outside of the back of the bag. It has a magnetic close that keeps the front of the bag latched when closed and has an adjustable strap so you can change the length of the bag, both at the shoulder strap as well as the connection to the purse itself on either side. We did try extending the straps at the connection point of the bag and found it looked a little strange, so wouldn't advise. Taking a look at these on, they are a larger purse and they do hang quite low, but they're definitely striking and a fall must. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more.